It's the attack on former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh that's got everyone's attention, and he has received injuries in this as well. Stones were pelted at his vehicle when he was returning from a campaigning. Remember, the campaigning has concluded now, and look at these visuals on your screen. Bloodied Anil Deshmukh, he's the former minister. He's also the NCP leader. Cops have booked 4 people on attempt to murder charge. Top cops, magistrate inspecting the attack site. But it's a political showdown, full on. Let's listen into what the reactions have been. So remember, look at this. It's happened barely hours ago that stones were pelted at Deshmukh's car. This was in Nagpur when he was returning and from one of the campaigning. And the stone that hit the windows of the car eventually hit him as well. We've, of course, blurred the bloodied part for the viewer, but it's a reminder about what exactly happened. Now, the political showdown is that the opposition leaders, Maha Vikas Aghadi, are alleging that this is a Gunda Raj in Maharashtra by the Mahayuti. We haven't had a response yet from the ruling coalition leaders. But Deshmukh, because remember, is no small neta. He's been a former home minister. He's a senior leader of the Maha Vikas Aghadi alliance. And this is in many ways a full-on showdown targeting the ruling party of the state. So this is what was said by the leader after this incident.
काटोल या शहरामधील श्री अनिल देशमुख यांच्या संबंधी जो हल्ला झालेला विषय आहे, या प्रकरणात नागपूर ग्रामीण पोलीस प्रशासनाने अत्यंत गांभीर्यपणे घेतले असून खालील प्रमाणे पावले उचलली आहेत. 4 अज्ञात इसमांविरुद्ध अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डरचा गुन्हा दाखल झालेला आहे. गुन्ह्याचा तपास डीवायएसपी काटोल यांच्याकडे आहेत. घटनास्थळावर माननीय विशेष पोलीस महानिरीक्षक नागपूर परिक्षेत्र आणि नागपूर जिल्हाधिकारी यांनी भेट पण दिलेली आहे.
So remember, because a big leader whose vehicle was targeted, he's also been hit. That's why the cops and senior level will be investigating this. Let me bring in my colleague Vidya on this. Vidya, what exactly happened, and why is there a political bickering over even this incident?
Well, the reason is that this has given an ammunition to the opposition parties to state that Nagpur is a constituency from where the Home Minister of Maharashtra, that is Devendra Fadnavis, hails. And in spite of the fact that the Home Minister hails from there, the kind of law and order situation that persists, that's questionable. And the reason why the Maha Vikas Aghadi is making this allegation is also because as of now, in spite of hours having passed by, no one has been arrested. The police is not even ready to commit as to whether this was a political reason why there was a stone pelting at Anil Deshmukh's vehicle. Remember, he was only coming back after finishing the campaign, which was doing for his son Salil, who is SP NCP candidate from the Nagpur rural area, and he was only returning. Deshmukh was returning after campaigning when this entire incident happened. Now, the police have started investigation into this case, but whether this really has any political repercussions, whether this happened due to any political reasons, that's really to be still investigated. And in spite of hours having passed by, no such reasons have been stated by the police, who is still saying they are still investigating and trying to find out who was really behind this entire stone pelting incident.
Right, so we'll be tracking the latest on that. Nevertheless, a sad incident about what exactly happened. For now, with minor injuries, the leader is currently undergoing treatment. So this was at a public meeting that he was returning from. That's where the incident took place. A stone hit the vehicle, eventually hit him also. Rushed to a hospital. And then what followed was a political showdown. Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray group has condemned the attack on Deshmukh, but they're claiming that this is a cowardly act by the anti-Maharashtra activists and that the change of power in Maharashtra is inevitable. Look at the choice of words of UBT, that they are saying this is anti-Maharashtra activists, and it's because the change of power is inevitable means that possibly the Maha Vikas Aghadi will be coming to the government now. Other opposition leaders have also condemned this attack on Deshmukh, and they're raising questions on the law and order in the state.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी बुरी तरीके से हर जगह पे हार रही है, इसीलिए उनके गृह मंत्री को भी यहाँ से मैदान छोड़ के जाना पड़ा, और उसी के कारण ये लोग आज इस तरीके की घटना करके कुछ एक संदेश देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जो हमारे खिलाफ में आवाज उठाएगा उसका हम सर फोड़ेंगे, उसका हम सर कुचलेंगे. हमारे साथ में अमित शाह है गृह मंत्री, हमारे साथ में देवेंद्र फडणवीस है उप मुख्यमंत्री गृह मंत्री। हम सभी का ऐसा हाल करेंगे। हम काटोल को सुरक्षित रखेंगे नहीं, हम नरखेड़ को सुरक्षित रखेंगे नहीं, हम नागपुर जिले में सुरक्षिता रखेंगे नहीं।
अनिल देशमुख जी पर आज जानलेवा हमला हुआ। अरे चुनाव में हम मुद्दों की बात करनी चाहिए, चुनाव में विकास की बात होना चाहिए। ये हिंसा, उपद्रव, ये कैसी गंदी राजनीति आ गई। हम इस घटना का निषेध करते हैं, निंदा करते हैं और महाराष्ट्र पुलिस से और जो भी हमारे सिस्टम है, प्रशासन से मांग करते हैं कि दोषियों को पकड़कर इसकी पूरी जांच की जानी चाहिए, कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए और अनिल देशमुख जैसे एक वरिष्ठ नेता और एक पूर्व गृह मंत्री को एक बड़ी सुरक्षा देनी चाहिए।